Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO A9 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to add a photo to the contact. So to get started, you want to open up your dialer app, go into contacts, find the contact that you want to add a photo to. So for me it's going to be right here. Choose edit, and then where you have the photo area with the camera, tap on it, and you have a couple options. You can either take a photo or select a photo. Taking will basically open up the camera app and you can use it to basically capture a photo of someone, or select a photo will take you to your album where you can actually choose a photo from ones that you already have. So here I'm gonna go choose a photo, then you get to choose how you want to crop it, or using what, so photos or the crop photo, which one is from Google, one is from the OPPO. They're basically both do the same thing, it doesn't really matter. So choose how you want to place it and tap on done. And here you go, there's your photo. Just make sure you tap on save before. And there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.